compound complex sentence combines at least two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. This creates a powerful way to express multiple related ideas in one sentence. It joins complete thoughts with subordinate ideas using specific conjunctions. Compound complex sentences must contain two or more independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions, plus at least one dependent clause introduced by a subordinating conjunction. Independent clauses can stand alone as complete sentences. Dependent clauses cannot stand alone and add extra information. Every compound complex sentence needs at least two independent clauses connected by coordinating conjunctions like for and nor, but, or yet so. It also requires at least one dependent clause beginning with subordinating conjunctions like after, although, because, since, or when. Both elements must be present. Coordinating conjunctions join independent clauses and form the compound part of the sentence. Remember FANBOYS, for and nor but or yet so, for explains reason, and adds information. Nor shows neither nor, but shows contrast, or presents alternatives, yet shows unexpected result, so shows cause and effect. Subordinating conjunctions create dependent clauses and form the complex part. Time conjunctions include after, before, when, while. Cause conjunctions are because, since, as. Condition conjunctions include if, unless, although. These words make clauses dependent and unable to stand alone. Always use commas before coordinating conjunctions that join independent clauses. Dependent clauses can appear at the beginning, middle, or end of the sentence. Maintain subject-verb agreement within each clause. The sentence must contain both compound and complex elements simultaneously. Though Mitchell prefers watching romantic films, he rented the latest spy thriller, and he enjoyed it very much. Laura forgot her friend's birthday, so she sent her a card when she finally remembered. If the presentation goes poorly, I will call the client to apologize, but I don't think we need to worry. Visualize compound complex sentences as two independent clauses connected horizontally by coordinating conjunctions like and. One or more dependent clauses branch off diagonally from independent clauses using subordinating conjunctions like although. This structure shows the relationship between all parts clearly. Identify compound complex sentences by counting clauses. Look for two or more independent clauses plus at least one dependent clause. Although Monica had a cold, she went to school because she had a test contains two independent clauses and one dependent clause, making it compound complex. The first example is compound complex with two independent clauses and one dependent clause. The others contain only compound or complex structures. Remember the key: always find two or more independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. This combination defines compound complex sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.